Hello and welcome back to the channel for this video on the best exercises to strengthen your knees. In this video, we will discuss the importance of strengthening the muscles around the knee to improve stability and alignment, ultimately protecting it from injury. We will also cover the muscles that provide support to the knee, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glute muscles, tibialis anterior, calf muscles, and adductors. Finally, we will demonstrate 6 exercises that will help you strengthen your knees. The muscles in your legs and glutes need to be strong enough to keep the knee stable so it won't shift sideways when you move. Those muscles also need to be stretchy enough to let your knees go through their full range of motion. When you're off kilter in one of these areas, that can place extra stress on parts of the knee that aren't meant to handle it. Therefore, it is important to strengthen the muscles around the knee to reduce stress on the knee joint and improve knee stability. The following muscles provide support to the knee. Quadriceps, a group of 4 muscles on the front thigh that help straighten out the knee and also assist in hip flexion. Hamstrings, the muscles on the back of your legs that contract at the same time as the quads to provide stability for your knee. Glute muscles, play a key role in keeping the hips and knees aligned and controlling the knee and side-to-side movements. Tibialis anterior, muscle on the front part of your lower leg that helps support the knee from below the joint. Calf muscles, muscles in the back of the leg that help support the knee from below the joint. Adductors, inner thigh muscles that are important since people who have instability of their kneecap usually have weakness in the adductors or medial muscles in the thigh. Our top 6 exercises to strengthen your knees. Barbell back squat. Stand tall with your back straight, feet shoulder width apart, and hold a barbell over your shoulders behind your neck. Lower your hips to the floor while bending your knees. As your hips and knees level, return to the initial position and repeat. Bulgarian split squat. Stand 2 to 3 feet in front of a knee-high platform, extend one of your legs backward, and rest your toes on it. Stand upright in this position and hold dumbbells in your hands near your hips. Lower your rear knee to the floor while bending your front knee. As your front thigh comes parallel to the floor, return to the initial position, and repeat. Calf raises. Stand tall with your back straight, your toes placed on a raised platform. Raise yourself by lifting your heels, and hold for 2 to 4 seconds. Return to the initial position and repeat. Lateral lunges. Stand tall with your back straight, arms folded, your hands raised forward, and your feet shoulder width apart. Take a step towards a side and lower yourself by bending your knee while keeping your other leg straight and pivoting its heel. Hold momentarily, return to the initial position, and repeat. Lying leg curl. Lie down on your stomach on the leg curl machine and set the roller bars against your ankles. Raise the bar by taking your heels towards the hips. As your calves come perpendicular to the floor, return to the initial position and repeat. Glute bridges. Get down on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Raise your hips off the floor, straighten your thighs with your back, and open your knees apart. Hold for 2 to 4 seconds, then return to the initial position, and repeat. In addition to these exercises, there are other exercises that can help strengthen the muscles around the knee. These include knee bends, thigh contractions, straight leg raises, goblet squats, sit-to-stands, step-ups, lying knee bend, and many others. Strengthening the muscles around the knee is important to improve knee stability and alignment, ultimately protecting it from injury. The quadriceps, hamstrings, glute muscles, tibialis anterior, calf muscles, and adductors are the muscles that provide support to the knee. In addition to the 6 exercises demonstrated in this video, there are other exercises that can help strengthen the muscles around the knee. Remember to listen to your pain levels when doing these exercises, especially in the early stages, and add exercises into your routine gradually to help your knee pain. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button as it helps us to grow this channel. Thanks for watching.